3 months ago, Jordan didn't know that AI was about to change their financial future forever. It started on a regular Tuesday. The S&P 500 was dropping after Nvidia's Q1 earnings. Bitcoin dipped below $54,000. And one 22-year-old recently graduated was staring at their phone searching, "How do I invest $100 for free?" By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how Jordan built a $100,000 portfolio using only free AI tools, what worked, what nearly blew up everything, and tactics you can start using today. Meet Jordan Young, born in 2004. Lives in Chicago. English Lit degree. Student loan balance $23,500. Side hustle, freelance copywriting, average monthly income $200. The goal:
6 figures by graduation, no rich relatives, no windfalls. Jordan started with only $2,000 saved up. Every paycheck she deposited $200 into Robinhood. "I wasn't a math person," Jordan told us, "but I could read, I could research, and I knew AI was the future." So she set a rule: no paid tools, no Discord groups, only free AI platforms and maximum transparency. The journey started last June. Jordan began with Stock Lens, AI's free tier. She plugged in tickers like NVDA, TSLA, and VTI, letting the AI generate risk grades and future projections. She cross-checked each pick with ChatGPT Pro using plugin access. I'd ask what news could impact this ETF this week and get concise citation-based summaries. Within a month, she'd built positions in VTI, Vanguard Total Market ETF, TSLA, Tesla Coin, Coinbase, post-having rebound bet rate using Fidelity zero-cost index funds. Every 60 days, Jordan would rerun all her holdings through Stock Lens. If a risk rating spiked or earnings estimate dropped, she'd dig deeper with Google Gemini's finance interface, completely free. Then the market threw her a curveball. In late August, coin sank 27% in 3 days. Fidelity flagged a dividend cut. Robinhood glitched, cells didn't fill for 2 hours during peak volatility. Quick decision time. The AI analysis flagged worsening sentiment, but she realized something: she never set true stop losses or auto sell trigger. That was not covered in her original AI workflow. Jordan spent all night updating her tactics. She found Finch AI, an up-and-coming free AI trade monitor API, and used it to set alerts for price swings and news events, still all free. She moved a chunk from Coin and TSLA to Schwab Dividend ETF, stable, boring, big dividend, green-lighted by all 3 AI tools. But what happened next changed everything. Here's where it gets interesting. Jordan started letting the AI tools compete. What does that mean? She'd run the same stocks through Stock Lens, ChatGPT, and Gemini. Any pick that scored high on all 3 stayed. If even one gave a negative signal, she'd reduce exposure. This was new crowdsourced AI consensus, all free. She made one bold move, overweighting NVDA after Gemini's quarterly transcript analysis found language signaling new AI partnerships. Over a month, NVDA popped 18%. She also doubled down on a low-fee global fund, IXIS. After Stock Lens flagged unexpectedly strong emerging market momentum, by February 2026, her portfolio had broken $9,000. But she wasn't done. The real surprise was coming. Over spring, Jordan's copywriting side hustle took off. She upped her monthly deposits to $800. Every new dollar got the same AI consensus check. When a tiny AI-powered energy ETF, QNXT, was recommended by all 3 tools, she put $2,000 in. Within 11 weeks, QNXT doubled, riding the 2026 hydrogen energy wave. Her portfolio snowballed. Reinvested dividends, side hustle gains, and the AI-driven QNXT win brought her account past $30,000 by late April. But the real surprise is coming. The pivotal moment came when Stock Lens Free added a new option sentiment module in June 2026. Jordan ran a screener for unusual bullish options on AI infrastructure stocks. He found Broadcom, Avgo, all 3 AI tools flagged. She allocated $10,000, then used Finch AI to live monitor news. In 21 days, Avgo was up 22% after announcing new AI chip contracts. She rolled profits back into SHT and VTI, compounding all along. Thanks to steady deposits, 3 lucky AI picks, aggressive dividend reinvestment, and rampant discipline, the account crossed the
$100,000 mark just this week. So what did we actually learn? First, free AI tools worked, but only when used together. And not blindly, each one catches what the others miss. Second, Jordan's portfolio wasn't built on luck. It was methodical, patient, automated, and always fact-checked. You could replicate this as long as you're disciplined, keep adding to your investments, and never rely on a single tool or tip. Which brings us to you. If you want more hands-on AI investing stories or want to see how Jordan is using these same AI tools to run 3 side hustles this year, hit subscribe and watch our next video. Trust me, you won't want to miss what happens next. If you like this, you'll love our next episode: how to earn $1,000 a month with free AI-powered side hustles, real examples, 0 paid tools. See you there.